Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Welcome back to another coin roll hunt, and as you can see from the title, today I'm looking through £100 worth of 50p coins. These are all sealed bags, and 50 of them are in these larger sealed bags, and the other 50 are in these smaller, slimmer sealed bags. It's a bit strange, but I'm happy to look through them. And as we go along, we're looking through for commemorative designs or variant designs, and also I'm going to be looking for, with this design, which is the Britannia, I'm looking for 2008 dated ones for low mintage years, as in when I find Britannias, they go off to the left hand side and I search them off camera later on, let you know what I found. With this, the Shield, I'm looking for 2009, 2010, 2011 and 2016 for NIFCs, or a 2017 for a low mintage year on this design. As in when I find these, they go off to the right hand side, and again, I let you know everything that I found at the end of the video. But for now, let's get into these coins, and I'll let you know as and when we find anything, what we've got. I'm going to speed the video up now until we find something interesting. There we go, that's our first coin for today. So that one there is Benjamin Bunny. And that one there is the Commonwealth Games 50p coin. Straight in on a 2018 there, what we have is, there we go, Paddington at Buckingham Palace. Pretty happy with that. Okay, we've got two coins here, so we'll show this one off first. So that one there, of course, a Benjamin Bunny again. And then second of all, what we have is a WWF 50p coin. There we go, that is a 2011, so I'm really chuffed to bits with that. Let's get into the next bag. Okay, that was pretty cool. We almost looked like we had a full bag of Britannias, but right at the end there, we got a Paddington at the train station. So we've got one of each of the Paddingtons today. Another Benjamin Bunny. And a fourth one for today. Just get that in focus there. That's another Benjamin Bunny. Mr. Jeremy Fisher making his first appearance today. Okay, we have 2 more right there. See if I can get those. 2 more Benjamin bunnies. First outing today for a 2017 Peter Rabbit. And a second one. That in there. And the Roger Bannister. Nice. There we have it. We've been through all of my bags for today. If you join me in a second, I'll have been through the Shields and the Britannias, and I'll let you know everything that I found. So here is my haul from today. I went through the Shields and the Britannias, and I got 2 low mintage Britannias. So if we just check those out, both dated 2008. And on top of that, I also got a low mintage year Shield. So 2017. Always pays to check those. And I also got 8 Benjamin bunnies, 2 of the Peter Rabbits from 2017, a Jeremy Fisher, 2 of the Paddington, so 1 of each. So I got one at the station and 1 at Buckingham Palace. My favourite find today though has got to be this. This is one of my favourite 50p coin designs. That's the WWF. So very chuffed to bits with that. I also got a Commonwealth Games, a Roger Bannister, and of course the low mintage coins. So let me know in the comment section below, what have you found recently? Either you've been coin roll hunting yourselves or you've had something interesting in your change. But let me know because it always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.